Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, right here at the Avon Park field at the Avon Park Aero Model Association in Avon Park, Florida. A lot of Avon Parks going on there. We're going to take up the VMAR I think it's an L-19 bird dog. I just call it the bird dog. And it's a balsa in pine plane. It's like I said, it's a woody, just a simple 4-channel plane. Right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator, right rudder, left rudder, and motor is on. She comes as an ARF. She's not a rocket ship by any stretch of the imagination. Get her trimmed out. I haven't flown her in forever. Definitely a huge floater. Yeah, she definitely needed some trim.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
But definitely a good flying plane. Obviously, she did not come with those lights. Those are the easy lights. Let's see if I can bring her in a little bit slower here, lower here. Good flying plane, that's for sure. Just the trim was off.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
But you could almost say this is a maiden, because, or actually a remaiden, because I have gone in there and I've completely redid, put a new, well, I didn't completely redo. You know, I'm lying. I just put a new receiver in, but I secured all the connections, redid one servo control arm that was broken. Made sure my hinges were in good shape. Just made sure she was good and flight ready. Basically is what I did. That's really what I should say. Just kind of refurbish her to where she's good and flight ready. But you can get her at Heli Direct. I'll put a link. She's $99. They also sell her in the I want to say the it's kind of a gray and white livery, both military looking planes. I'm running an AR-410 and timless receiver. I don't remember. I'm sorry, I do not remember the size or the kV of the motor. I want to say it's maybe a 1400 kV, and it's got a slow fly prop on her. I just don't remember the size, but she runs on a 1300 to a 2200 3S. She's a belly loader right underneath the cow there, and they don't provide any type of way to secure the battery other than you just got an area to put the battery in. And you might want to also work a little bit of rudder in your turn, but good looking little bird. Hobby King used to sell it years ago, but I think they sold it as a PNP. So anyway, just a nice stable little airplane.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And Yeah, you want to work a little bit of rudder in your turn because that tail will kind of drag around on you. So there you go, folks. That is the after a long flight of not flying her, or after a long time of not flying her, there she is. So what do you want to hear before you touch a model?
Motor off.
Motor off. And like I said, she's just a simple 4-channel plane. All your hinges are already done for you, and right there is where I've got the 4-channel AR410 plugged in, and just a nice little plane. So I recommend her. She's a great beginner plane, you know, and just 99 bucks. I think $20 shipping, so you can't go wrong. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget, faith, family, friends, and then planes. Bye, y'all.